Hey man, it's crazy because we recently just talked about how Nike loves to just, wash out certain things, certain collabs, and just keep, running it through the ground. And we have yet another example of what I am talking about when it comes to Nike just continuously dragging ideas, dragging concepts, collabs, colorways, all that good stuff, man. We gotta talk about it in today's video, man. This one right here is quite interesting from Nike, bro. Yo, what's going on, everybody on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping in to another video, man. It is greatly appreciated, man. And again, bro, I always want to say thank you guys because you know how to click on the video, man. So again, from the bottom of my heart, man, thank y'all for tapping in. If y'all don't do nothing else in today's video, if you don't even watch any further, do your boy a huge solid and leave a huge like on today's video. Them likes go a long way, and it shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content. So go ahead and run them likes up for your boy, man. So without further ado, bro, y'all probably like, yo, what am I talking about? What is going on in the sneaker community? What did Nike turn around and do again? And I'm just gonna leave a picture up on the screen right here so you guys can check out what we're gonna be getting in 2025. You guys already know, bro. We're gonna get a lot of dope colorways, OG colorways and stuff like that. But these right here, I do not think it's gonna translate well. This is the Air Jordan 4 RM, if I'm not mistaken. They started with Nigel Sylvester, and now they're gonna be doing this colorway. You guys already know, bro. You already know we do have the pine green SB Air Jordan 4s, and this is what I am talking about, bro. And I said this in the Travis Scott video. I said, yo, the hype is slowly slowing down because of what Nike is doing. They keep dropping the same stuff, in a sense. You know what I'm saying? I'm all here for it. I'm just thinking ahead. I love shoes. I love what Jordan's doing at the end of the day to a certain extent. But when we get stuff like this, and we already got something like this, you guys already know exactly what's going on. I got another point in case, bro. I gotta go ahead and grab them real quick. Where is these Topaz Air Jordan 4s? I gotta grab them. This is another one, bro. This is another one. This is what Nike is doing, bro. They drop colorways like this because it looks similar to, you guys already know, the Travis Scott. Give you Travis Scott vibes. This is a well-executed Air Jordan 4, but they always doing something to where, like, they know we want this certain colorway. They know we want this certain sneaker, and they drop it differently for the general public. And instead of giving us those brown Travis Scott Air Jordan 4s or even the purple ones, they give us stuff like this. This is a dope Air Jordan 4. Really clean Air Jordan 4 in my opinion. But that's just another example of how Nike will, grab a concept, grab a OG colorway, wherever it is, and twist it a little bit and drop it. And with these Air Jordan 4 pine green RMs, it is not going to go well. I was even hitting up the homie. I put up my story. I said, yo, is this even real? Like, I did not believe Nike was actually doing this. But it all comes out that this is something that Nike is really running with. Like, again, they did the Nigel Sylvester joint super clean. Still don't have a pair because they want a penny for them things. I don't know why it's going for so much, bro. Pretty penny for them Nigel Sylvester RMs. And I'm gonna have to wait a little bit longer. Hopefully the resale drop. But when it comes to them trying to, boost up another cut of this Air Jordan 4, the RMs, I might be even saying that wrong. They're gonna be giving this pine green colorway, bro. You can't do that, bro. Nike, what are we doing, bro? Like, this is getting out of hand at this point. This is mean work right here. I don't know what they doing. I even helped another homie. I said, yo, this should be illegal, bro. It should be illegal for them to do, man. It's just, hey, you can't do it. And another thing is, yo, you're dropping a bunch of other pine green, or you're dropping a lot of other, SB Air Jordan 4s. Why are you going to try to take some away from the original? This is like the original SB. This is the original SB Air Jordan 4. First time to ever see it with the SB on the back. And we're gonna be getting more colorways of the SBs. And you drop these RMs, bro. I'm just like, what is going on at this day and age? I don't know, bro. But you guys go ahead and let me know down below in the comment section, said that fast, if you're gonna be grabbing these RMs, the pine greens. Me personally, bro, I'm not even gonna try to persuade you to get them or not to get them. I'm just letting you guys know straight up, I will not be buying them things. But if you like them, I love it, and I want to see you guys let me know in the comment section, bro. So you guys seen a couple of other, you know, Air Jordan 4s I showed you, or you can just think in the back of your mind how Nike is grabbing a concept or grabbing a colorway and kind of running with it, and, you know, giving us something that, you know, would actually end up probably selling well, because, you know, somebody don't want to spend $500 on an Air Jordan 4 Pine Green SB. They're like, you know what, let's drop these RMs, and somebody might be more inclined to get the poor man, or, you know, a one-off, you know what I'm saying? Something that looks similar to something else. But hey, it is what it is, man. Nike has done this doing it all the time, bro. And when I was talking about the Travis Scotts, you know, they keep dropping colorways after colorways after colorways, and we're getting another pair, I think December or November, the all dark mocha pair. And I'm just like, yo, what are we doing? You know what I'm saying? Still a clean Air Jordan 1 low. It's not like a trash colorway, but you guys know what I'm saying. But they just keep running with something, and I'm not too sure how much longer the community is gonna allow this to happen before somebody say, all right, Nike, like, yo, why are you dropping so many colorways of a Travis Scott or something that looks similar to Air Jordan 4 Pine Green? It's just something continuous that they have been doing. But I'm all ears for you guys, comments, your reactions, how you feel about it. Are you in agreement with this new Air Jordan 4 RM, the Pine Green? I know I'm not. Y'all could do something totally different, you know what I'm saying? But hey, I'm not working for Nike. I'm just here to chop up with you guys on YouTube about these upcoming releases, man. Something else I did want to mention is I've been hearing a lot about shock drops for the Air Jordan 11 Legend Blues and the Air Jordan 3 Black Cements. And I'm pretty sure it's going to be happening much sooner than expected. When I get more information, when I get more details, I'm going to definitely come up on here on YouTube, let you guys know I'm not regarding or, you know, holding back any information. No gatekeeping over here. So if y'all know something, go ahead and comment in the comment section, because hey, we all here trying to get some dubs together. But just know there are going to be a lot of pairs of the Black Cement 3s. There's going to be a lot of pairs of the Air Jordan 11 Legend Blues. So don't go out there paying no crazy price. You guys see me, I still ain't got them. I ain't doing it, bro. I get paid $300 for something that's going to probably go for under retail or right at retail around the release date. So I'm waiting a little bit. I'm going to hold off on giving you guys my, you know, raw reaction, my review over what's coming out. But if you guys want to see me grab them early, let me see a couple of them comments down below. Let's run them likes up on this video. But the main talk of the talk is these Air Jordan 4 RM Pine Green. I don't know, bro. So many memes and stuff floating around Instagram today. I just had a really good laugh. Like, Nike is really pulling this. Like, they trying to ruin the SBs. Don't do that, bro. Let the Pine Green SBs be the Pine Green SBs. Do something different with these RM guys. That's all I'm asking, man. But I appreciate y'all's support again, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping in. Leave a huge like on today's video. Subscribe if you want to. That'd be greatly appreciated. Hit the notification bell if you do. Shouldn't miss out on any content that we do drop over here on the channel. And again, I might have some early looks, not too sure. We're gonna see how y'all, you know what I'm saying, do in the comment section and the likes. And you might see a couple things or two, man. Love y'all. Appreciate y'all. Always been said, your boy DeVintage. Gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.